Alright friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to sew on your cheeks without showing any stitching at all. These are completely sewn on. Every stitch is sewn. Mess-free sewing. Okay, just a side note, if you hear a little rattle, it's because I do have a little noisemaker in here, so I hope that doesn't bother you too much. Okay, we're going to use our favorite needle. This is my Susan Bates 5-inch weaving needle. It is my ride or die. There is a link down below, so if you can get your own if you would like. I'm going to thread our needle with the yarn. And as you see here, I have it pinned pretty good. Here's where my yarn tail is coming out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my needle into the stitch to the right of my yarn tail. So here's my stitch to the right. I'm going to go in here and out through. I'm going to grab some from the head and out through the left. Okay, that has secured our first little stitch. Now I'm going to find the next stitch, the stitch that was to the right. I'm going to insert my needle in through the top of that V, in through the top of our crochet stitch here. Okay, now this is where our little repeat starts when we work our way around. Our yarn tail is coming out of this stitch here. We insert our needle to the right and we exit our needle to the left. Here's what I mean. Insert our needle to the right, grab some from the head, swoop up, and exit out of the stitch to the left. Into the right, grab some from the head, exit to the left. And pull that tight. Excuse me, I am making a video. Okay, again, here's our yarn tail. We're going to enter into the stitch to the right and exit to the stitch to the left. Enter, grab some from the head, exit out the left. Can be a little finicky, which is why I really do enjoy these long weaving needles. Okay, continue moving the head around as you work. Okay, making sure that I have even placement with this one. As I see, this one's moved a little bit down here as I work, so I'm just going to use my needle, my pin, and pull it up. Okay, now repeating our process. In the stitch to the right, come out of the stitch to the left. Swoop down, pick up some from the head. And as you see, that creates a little wrap around each stitch that secures it to the head, as opposed to going around and giving it that patchwork look. If you do like that patchwork look and that's what you're going for, then that's perfect. However, I like the wrap look. Okay, so in the stitch to the right, out through the left. Move our pins as we go. And working our way around. Another little trick I can show you using the same technique is inserting your your needle into the stitch to the right and coming out the bottom here underneath the cheek. Excuse me, thank you. Then when you get here, you can take your needle and insert it into the stitch that you meant to go into in the first place. And that secures it in the same fashion. Okay, when you get back to your very first stitch, we're just going to exit out the hole on the bottom. And then we can tie these together and hide those ends and nobody will see them. And then you have your perfectly sewn on cheeks, looking very, very professional. I hope this video has helped you and I will see you in the next one.